Savitribai Phule Pune University Affiliated College, J.A.T, Arts, Science and Commerce College for Women, Malegaon. Myself, Srimati Desale Sunita Kotikra, Physical Director. Relationship of health and physical education with other disciplines of knowledge. Health and physical education classes provide space for exploring new ideas related to personal and community health. These ideas might then be used by students in various other fields of learning such as arts, science, civics and citizenship, communication, design, creativity and technology and languages, humanities, information and communication technology and physiology. Health and physical education teachers can incorporate activities related to performing arts, drawing, painting, dance, drama, media, music and visual communication into their programs. These involve both fine motor skills and whole body movement, including rhythmic movement, as body movements are part of both arts practice and health and physical education. These promote health knowledge, understanding of the body and need of physical fitness and enhancing of creative skills at the same time. In science, students study the human body with a focus on anatomy and physiology. In health and physical education, learning is focused on the requirements for good health and the promotion of a healthy body. Students gain an understanding of the role of physical and yogic activities in ensuring good health and can link the functioning of the muscle musculoskeletal digestive, endocrine and nervous system, studied in science for the promotion of the physical, social, mental and emotional health of individuals within a society. Students consider it their personal responsibilities to discuss and adopt health issues. Social sciences promote the idea that citizens require knowledge and understanding of civic institutions and the skill and willingness to actively participate in functioning of the society. Similarly, in health and physical education, students are encouraged to become active and responsible members of their community. Key concepts within health and physical education classes include understanding of importance of personal identity within a community, what makes a community and how to engage with different members and agencies within a community. Participations in physical activity and sports also reflect values, rules, rights and responsibilities indicative of a democratic society. Languages. Languages help students to develop critical approaches to the ideas and thoughts co- collected to read, view, write, compare, research and talk about texts. Text. Health and physical education teachers can use examples related to health and well-being to encourage students to reflect on their lifestyles and analyze ways by which the media influences their attitude towards health. For example, health and physical education emphasis on the importance of physical fitness, self-esteem, and body image in the maintenance of good health. Economics is the study of how society allocates scarce resources to satisfy the wants and needs of its members. Within the health and physical education context, consumer health assists students to become more informed consumers of health products and services. The cost of disease emerging from unhealthy lifestyle is also studied to determine the burden of disease on families and community. Geography. Students develop skills in reading and illustrating maps of different kinds and different scales. The same knowledge and skills are reinforced in physical education during orientation and on outdoor education activities, trekking, mountaineering. The investigation of local and global health issues involve collecting information from maps, satellite images, statistical data and information of communication and communication technology-based resources. These help students to understand themselves and their world to apply their understanding in their present lives as well as make evidence based decisions that lead to the kind of future they desire. History. The study of history reflects multiple influences and connections to an array of other countries, cultures and times. The concept of time chronology and changes are common to both history and health and physical education. While history focuses on identity from cultural or national perspective, health and physical education focus on the range of factors that shape personal identity. Mathematics. The health and physical education maths provides tools and procedures that can be also used to model situation and solve problems in areas such as in evaluating various supporting events, evolving time, distance, weight,
numbers.
Weight and numbers as variables, calculating percent improvement and performance from collected data, though test fitness and performance in physical activity. Thank you.